Hi my dears, how are you? In today's video, we will review Brae Bone Fortifier. It is brand's post-chemical Fortifier, which comes with number 3. That's the third step, that the brand sells to the general public. This third step, Step 1 and Step 2 are being sold together in the kit, and it is of professional application. It requires training. So they market just steps 1 and 2 to the end consumer with this reservation. The third one should be used after shampoo and conditioner, and it's from the Bone Angel line. There is already its review here on the channel. So if you like shedding products, you can use acidifying shampoo, conditioner, and the third one as a step 3 in your home. And I have these two packages to show you. This packaging is sold. It is very thick. It has plex effect or teia effect. And this version is bad because the packaging is hard and has to be pulled. You have to press to get it out. So they made a 100-gram tube. Both packages have the same amount of product, and this new packaging is more practical to use. It should be used twice a week after shampoo and conditioner. Wash your hair, apply the third step of Bone Fortifier on all hair strands and leave it for 5 minutes, let it for 5 minutes and wash it again. I didn't find the composition of this product. It probably comes in the secondary packaging that I don't have, but there are no prohibited things. Low poo, no poo should be prohibited. What does the description on the brand's website say? It costs 92 reals. The specially developed protein with hydrolyzed collagen has a special smaller molecule, which is more easier absorbed by the hair strands, acting on the recovery of the hair fiber and increasing the resistance to any stress caused by chemical products. It has the keratin complex, composed of proteins that act together with the hydrolyzed collagen protein on the broken sulfide bridges. And it creates a protective film on the recovered bridges. I'll explain very quickly what these sulfide bridges are. It's the bridges, the connections in our strongest thread. There is Pro-Do 500, which is a mixture of actives that promote the multiplication of sulfide bridges recovered with the action of collagen hydrolyzed protein together with this keratin molecule. I think it is better to use it pre-chemistry as well, to start straightening your hair, to receive lights and any chemical process. Now let's see product's application. I use it like a repair, and it is a repair, but more aimed at those who do chemistry. So it doesn't make sense to buy it if you don't do any chemical process on your hair, to buy only to use as repair. In this case, you'd better buy a mask with amino acids with broken proteins so you can treat your hair. You don't need a product of this level. What I find really cool, I'm always using pre- and post-chemistry, and I noticed that my hair has improved. You will see the result. I applied it on the normal day. It was neither pre- nor post-chemistry, so you can see so much the result on the hair. But it was the day when I really needed to hydrate my hair, because my hair got dry. You will see the result, because I wanted to apply just it to show you. But it's not for making hair malevolent or hydrated. So line why I'm going to buy a product that won't give me a nice finish on my hair. If you do chemistry and want to protect your hair and make it stronger, it's worth it. Then you use it with a very moisturizing conditioner. So first apply shampoo, then apply it, and only then apply the moisturizing conditioner to have that malice. For you to have beautiful and hydrated hair for a few weeks, until you do your chemistry or use it later to recover. I definitely apply it in the previous shampoo, and on the day I do lights and coloring, I do not apply it, because there I do the repair in a salon. Today I'm in the next wash. I did nutrition so as not to get too much repair accumulated. On my next hair wash, I will use Bone Fortifier again. It works in the long run. If you apply it just once, you won't feel the difference. Such an amazing difference. But in the long run, it protects the hair very well, avoiding breakage and elastic thread. It is really good. And I like this size of 100 grams, because it's not a product that you use a lot. As I said, it's just for pre and post chemistry, so you do not need such a large package as from a mask. I think this size is ideal. Let's see my result. I think you understand what I'm talking about. So guys, let's apply it. In time you will notice. Already better. It looks like the hair absorbs everything. All the product. There is few product on the strands. It gives that fighting effect, but with weight already. You have to leave it for 5 minutes, so I'll respect the break time and I'll come back here to show you, without passing any finisher. It grabs a little bit, but it is already untangled. So here's the result on dry hair without any finishing, for you to see. The ends are more whole, it's still quite wet. I always record wet, for you to see if it is frizzy or not. It tames well frizzy hair when it dries. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Who has used Bone Angel Fortifier? Comment down here if you noticed the difference or not, if you liked it. Tell me if you already tried 1 or 2 salon steps. I would like to know. Thank you for watching this video. A kiss. See you later.